Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 9th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the dollar CAD, I think that this first 5 waves up is a wave A. That makes this right here an ABC of wave B, which I think will likely take it down below both of these lows before we potentially get another attempt to go up for the bigger wave C, which I think is all either an ABC of B or an ABC of 2. So taking it down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, first of all, I think it's very, very clear this is 5 waves down over here, potentially a wave A. This is 1, 2, 3 waves up, potentially a wave B. Yes, it is a higher high. I just call that an irregular wave B. It's actually a very, very common pattern. I think this is likely a wave 1, probably a wave 2, eventually go down and make a 3, 4, 5 of that wave C that I showed on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily time frame, I think we are likely already in this wave 2. I would expect this wave 2 to at least go to the 38% minimum. Potentially it could go all the way up to the 78, but it's probably more likely to go to like the 30 or the 50%. Maybe end up doing some sort of a corrective pattern like this before it actually does make the continuation of the downtrend. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, the question is this already a wave A? Is this already 1, 2, 3 waves down for wave B? If that's the case, then this potentially could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C forming now. Like I said, I would expect it to go at least minimum to the 38%, but it potentially could go much higher to the 50 or the 61%. What Fibonacci level it decides to respect is not important. What is important is that we can recognize when it does respect the level, when it does give us that breaker structure, and a nice sorting opportunity for the continuation of the downtrend, probably the beginning of a wave 3. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. Now, I kind of suspect that it is likely to go down a little bit because to me this looks like a possible wave A. It looks like 1, 2, 3 up possible wave B, and then down for a wave C. And this potentially is like a 1. This is a 2, and then it goes up for a wave 3. So hopefully it does play out like this, because if it does, that should give us a really, really nice long opportunity for the wave 3 of wave C. I definitely would primarily be looking for longs right now. I would not be trying to sort this wave C because it doesn't even have to make a wave C. It could potentially just make a little teeny push down and just keep on trending up, because technically the trend is up on the 4 hour time frame. So definitely looking for longs right now on the 1 hour time frame range until we can identify the end of this wave C on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's a link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.